How to turn on or turn off keyboard suggest stickers on the Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on General Management. From here, we then scroll down and tap on Samsung keyboard settings. In here, we're going to scroll down and tap on Suggest Stickers. Tap on the toggle button to turn off Suggest Stickers, or tap on it to turn it back on. If you tap on the left hand side panel, in here you can choose what to use. So we got emojis pairs, Bitmoji, Galaxy Avatar, and preloaded and downloaded stickers. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen.